How to solve Travis Rilea error in Call of Duty. Countless users are coming across the Travis Rilea error while playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 or Call of Duty Warzone, which is frustrating users with problems like preventing them from logging into multiplayer or battle royal matches. This error continues to disrupt the normal functionalities of the game when players are trying to load some of their favorite maps, like Multiplayer Map or Area 99. This error usually appears when players are trying to connect to Call of Duty servers. Here's how to solve the server connection issues in Call of Duty. This Call of Duty Ops 6 and Warzone Travis Rilea error mainly revolves around players' internet connection problems. Players are most likely to fall prey to it when they're facing problems in connecting with a PC or console to the game servers. But fret not, here's a step-by-step guide to removing the Travis Rilea error. First off, restart the internet service provider because it can be shown that you might be facing connection problems. Unplug and replug the internet router after 30 seconds, then check if the error is gone or not. The developers of Call of Duty are actively working to prevent this error from appearing again, but with the help of such workarounds, players can get back into the game as soon as possible.